Looking for the best cordless soldering iron for your DIY, electronics, or repair work? Stick around, we're breaking down the top options from worst to best, so you know exactly where to spend your money. Let's kick things off with the NEIKO 40421A. It lands at the bottom of our ranking, not because it's terrible, but because it's clearly built for light-duty work. This little cordless soldering iron is compact and easy to carry around, and it does include some nice extras like an LED spotlight, cleaning sponge, and even a soldering stand. Its biggest selling point is how long it runs, up to 2 hours on a single charge. That's great for quick fixes or small electronic jobs. It heats up pretty fast too, around 12 seconds, and it charges over USB-C, which is super convenient. But here's the catch. This thing only puts out about 4 watts of power. That's very low, even compared to the other cordless irons. And there's no temperature adjustment, so you're stuck within a fixed range, which limits precision. If you need to solder heavier materials or anything temperature sensitive, this won't cut it. So who's this for? It's perfect for beginners, casual hobbyists, or someone who just wants a budget tool for the odd wire repair. And by the way, if you want links to all the products we covered today at the best prices, they're waiting for you in the description below. Next up, we have the ELMCONFIG taking the 4th spot in our ranking. It's a slight step up from the NEIKO in terms of power, 15 watts, and it does come as a complete little kit, which is a nice touch. The battery is smaller at 1100 mAh, so don't expect long sessions without recharging. It does heat up quickly and comes with a stand, sponge, USB cable, and even a copper-based tip that gets decently hot. Overall, it looks and feels like a solid beginner-friendly package. That said, it suffers from the same big issues as the NEIKO, no real control over temperature. There's also very limited information on performance, heat stability, and tip compatibility, which can be a problem if you're planning to use this often. If you just want something compact for light work around the house or you're new to soldering, this could be a fun entry point. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews just like this. Coming in 3rd place is the BAKON BK210. This one immediately stands out with its larger battery, 3200 mAh, and a sleek little digital display. It heats up in just about 10 seconds and gives you control over temperature and even auto sleep settings, which you don't see at this price point often. It's built for portability and it delivers. It's cordless, USB-C rechargeable, and the C210 tip heats evenly and handles most general soldering tasks well. If you've used budget soldering irons before, this one definitely feels like a step up in quality. Now, it's not perfect. At 12 watts, the power still falls on the lower side, so it's not ideal for heavy-duty soldering. And depending on where you live, getting replacement tips might take a bit of searching. All in all, this is great for intermediate users or hobbyists who want more control and better performance, without jumping into premium territory just yet. A smart, balanced choice. Sliding into 2nd place is the Fanttik T1 MAX, and this one is seriously impressive. It gives you the flexibility of using it cordless or plugged in, and when connected via USB-C, it bumps up to 16 watts of power. That makes a big difference when you need extra heat. It comes with 4 premium C210 tips, a clever rotating stand, and smart auto sleep and wake features. The heat up time is quick, the temperature control is responsive, and overall it feels smooth and refined. Drawbacks? Wireless mode drops the power to about 11 watts, and while that's fine for most projects, it might feel underpowered for more demanding tasks. You also get about 60 minutes of use per charge, which isn't bad, but not amazing either. This one's ideal for serious hobbyists, makers, or even professionals who want portability and flexibility without sacrificing too much performance. It's that perfect middle ground between budget and pro gear. And finally, the top spot goes to the LEXIVON LX770. This butane-powered beast blows the others away in terms of raw heat and versatility. If you're tired of dealing with charging cables and limited power, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. This isn't your typical electric soldering pen. With adjustable flame control and up to 2400 degrees Fahrenheit of raw heat, this tool can solder, shrink, burn, and torch through all kinds of jobs. It also comes with a whopping 7 different tips for everything from electronics to heat shrink to plastic welding. Now, of course, it's not as precise as a digital electric model. You won't get the same control over temperature, and working with butane does mean dealing with fuel refills and open flame safety. But if you're working out in the field, doing auto repair, or tackling bigger jobs where power matters more than polish, the LEXIVON is easily the best performer here. It's powerful, portable, and built for serious work. There you have it, our top picks from the weakest to the strongest cordless soldering irons. If you want to check out any of these products yourself, we've got the best deals linked down below in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss another hands-on review.